Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a quick tutorial how to crochet with beads. I know that there's so many new patterns out there now that you can add beads to them to turn them like little fidget toys. So I decided, how about I make a little tutorial to show you guys how easy it is to crochet with beads. First of all, you will need your yarn, a hook. So for the hook, it really depends on the size of your beads. I use just these little plastic beads that I got at the dollar store, and it works great with a 3mm hook. It goes in. You just have to make sure that you have enough space when you put it on your hook, that it still rolls and it's not like stuck to your hook. You can also, before you start your project, just put all your beads on your yarn. But personally, I feel like that's a lot of work. It takes a long time. And this method I'm going to show you today, much easier, much faster. And you'll see working with beads is actually much easier than it looks. So let's get started. So it's pretty easy. This is my base for today. I did make a little square, added 2 rounds so far of the beads. You can see they do spin. So it is pretty simple. So first you take one of your beads, you're gonna put it on your hook like this. I usually hold it with my pointer just because it's easier so it doesn't fly everywhere. You're gonna enter into your next stitch like you would do your regular single crochet. Yarn under and pull through. Now you have your 2 loops here and you have your bead in the middle. So you'll yarn over, pull through the first loop, pull through your bead, and pull through the last hoop. I usually do a single crochet next to it. Depending on which pattern you're using, if there's now a little mini amigurumi that you can add, you'll see in the pattern if they add a single crochet next to it or not. But for the little like fidget squares that I make, I always add a single crochet next to it. So again, very easy, very simple. Just add your bead, hold it, and do your single crochet as you normally would. Like this. And then single crochet next. It is very simple, much simpler than I thought it was going to be when I first started adding beads. But it's pretty simple. And like I said, you can always add them to your yarn before starting your crochet project. And once you can add beads to anything, I've seen people doing blankets and it turned into like little weighted blankets. You can do scarves, bags, amigurumi, just small little fidget toys like these. I just do little squares for fidget toys that I add at my market. Very easy, very simple. You can alternate, you can choose whatever color you want. You can also get all these beads on Amazon too. But this is how we crochet with beads. And the next round, I usually just do single crochet across. But here you go. And this is how it looks on the other side. So you can see it's actually very easy, very simple. And now you are ready to start your next project and add a little bit of beads to your project. Make a little fidgets to it. It's really nice, really fun, and it's something new to try. So if you want to try something new and expand your skills, this is for you. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!